Young Living is here, and us volunteers are here helping the Young Living Foundation rebuild a village.
This is my second trip to Nepal. The first trip we worked on the 2 schools for the village.
You know, when I left, it was like this. It was naked. There was no paint, there was no roof. And coming back, seeing the Young Living logo, was very special for me.
The reason I came to Nepal was to give back. I love just giving my heart to people.
We're piecing together houses kind of like Lincoln logs.
There's mud in everywhere, there's dust on the ground. It's nothing that's easy to sort of work through.
But when I see the dust, I see progress. And working on somebody's house and having them work next to you, that's been very rewarding.
None of the villagers are living in their house yet, because they're waiting for every houses to be built before they move in.
This guy, he is such a beautiful person, and he can carry bricks all day, all night. So every time I get to see him, I want to hug him. And we're so proud, we're so honoured to be building his house to house him and his wife and his little baby.
This foundation is so generous because they do not take any money for administration.
And to actually physically see where that money goes to and see how that actually will impact someone's life, it's awesome.
We're wrapping up the day of construction, and one of the younger girls in the village comes and peeks in the window and she says, "Hey, you come to my home." And so we sit for a little while and we're chatting, and I'm like, "What do you want to be when you grow up?" And she said, "I'm going to be an engineer, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to fix the roads in Yarsa." And I'm like, "Good, do it. You're going to be great at it."
Yeah, I find myself kind of belong here.
This is what I really want to do. I want to spend my life having a tangible impact on people.
ここに来てからみんな優しくて、本当に国を越えてみんなが一つのことに取り組めて、すごく貴重な体験ができました。
It's been a cool experience for me. Probably one of the best I've ever had. I'm definitely going home changed. That's for sure.